Hello everyone, Jeffrey here, and for this speech, I'm going to show you guys how to clean a laptop. So I know that most of us are taking classes online, and that means we get to use the laptops more often. But that also means that our laptop is vulnerable to become dirtier, easy, and faster. So for this presentation, I'm going to show you my way of how to wash or clean a laptop. So the supplies you need is, of course, your laptop, a plastic or glass bowl or container, some alcohol, dishwashing soap, and some cloths. So first up, you need to check to see if your laptop has a removable battery. Since mine is already removed, I'm good. But if your laptop doesn't have a removable battery, that's okay. So the first step you need to do is get your bowl or container and fill it up with warm water. But for this presentation, I won't be filling it up with warm water, and let's just pretend that the water that's going to be in here is warm. So after filling it up with warm water, you get your dishwashing soap and add 2 or 3 drops to it. After adding in the drops, you want to mix it. That will result in a soapy water. So after getting the soapy water, you get one of your cloths and you dip the whole thing in the soapy water. But I'm not going to be really doing that, so let's just pretend I did. So dip it in, and after dipping it in, you want to squeeze most of the water out because you don't want to clean your laptop with a fully wet cloth. So squeeze it out. And after squeezing it out, you start cleaning the outside. Don't forget the other sides too. After cleaning all the areas of the laptop, you want to get the same cloth and rinse it with water. Rinsing it with water will get rid of the soap that's still left on the cloth. So after rinsing the whole area of the cloth with water, you want to clean the laptop again. So after cleaning it with the wet cloth, you would want to get your dry cloth and dry it. As you can see, I accidentally, this cloth was already a little bit wet, and I accidentally left some wet marks. So let's just pretend that this is a dry cloth. So after doing that, you're actually done cleaning the outside of the laptop. So next step is we're gonna clean the screen. So open up your laptop and we do the same process. You get the wet cloth, dip it in the soapy water, squeeze most of the water out, and start rubbing the screen. And And after you clean all the areas of the screen, you again want to rinse off the soap with water. So rinse the cloth with water. And when you do that, you squeeze most of the water out. And start wiping the screen again. So after wiping the screen with the wet cloth, you get your dry cloth and wipe it again. So after doing that, we're now done with cleaning the screen. So the next part is we're going to clean the keyboard. And the keyboard is actually the dirtiest place of the laptop. Unfortunately, I don't have the necessary material or supply that I need to clean with the keyboard. But what you may need is a compressed air blower or a compressed air in a can, and use that to clean all the dust and dirt off the keyboard. You can also use it to clean the ventilated places of the laptop and any other places that have like holes in it. And sorry that I couldn't show you guys. I don't have the material for that, but hopefully you guys do. And after blowing out most of the dust and dirt off the keyboard and the other places, ventilated places, we're gonna move on with the alcohol. So you get another cloth or maybe the dry cloth, and you pour some alcohol like this. And once you get alcohol into here, you start rubbing it on the keyboard. You can also rub the alcohol on the whole area of the laptop. After doing that, you can also clean around the screen. Once you're doing that, if you accidentally get alcohol on the screen, don't worry, you can use your wet cloth, wipe off the alcohol off the screen, and then use another cloth. Just pretend this is another cloth and wipe off the wet part of the screen. So once you're done wiping the areas of the laptop with alcohol, we are actually finished. So I hope you guys are satisfied with my way of how to clean a laptop, and I hope your laptop is looking new like before. Thank you guys for watching this presentation. I hope you guys have a nice day.